Imagine discovering that the most powerful detox medicine on the planet isn't hidden in expensive supplements, rare herbs, or fancy clinic sits right in your kitchen. It's colorless, tasteless, and free. It's water, the cheapest detox medicine on earth. Your body is over 70% water, and every single cell, organ, and tissue relies on it to function properly. Yet, we often underestimate its healing power. When you wake up tired, bloated, foggy, or sluggish, your body might not be asking for caffeine, it's asking for hydration. The truth is, dehydration is one of the most common causes of fatigue, brain fog, and poor detox function. Your body can't flush out toxins, burn fat, or even digest food properly without enough water. It's like trying to wash dirty dishes. Without water, it just doesn't work. Think about it. Your kidneys filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day. Your liver breaks down harmful substances. Your skin sweats to release waste, and your lungs exhale moisture with every breath. None of this is possible without water. When you don't drink enough, your blood thickens, toxins linger, your skin dulls, and your metabolism slows. That's when disease finds its way in. The good news: the fix is simple. You can begin to reset your entire body today with water. Here's the secret: not just any drinking pattern, but strategic hydration. Start your day with 2 glasses of warm water before anything else. This wakes up your liver, flushes your intestines, and prepares your body for digestion. Throughout the day, sip not chug your water slowly. Cold water shocks the system, while room temperature water harmonizes with your body's natural processes. Add a pinch of sea salt or a few drops of lemon to your water. This adds minerals and electrolytes that your cells need to absorb hydration efficiently. Let's break down how water detoxes your system naturally. Step 1. It supports your kidneys. Your kidneys act like natural filters, removing waste from your blood and sending it out through your urine. When you're dehydrated, these filters clog. Step 3. Your skin. Your skin is not just a barrier, it's your largest detox organ. Through sweat, your body releases impurities and regulates temperature. When you're dehydrated, your pores clog, acne worsens, and your skin loses elasticity. Staying hydrated gives your skin a natural glow that no cosmetic can replicate. Step 4. Your digestive system. Water dissolves nutrients, softens stool, and keeps your intestines moving. Chronic dehydration leads to constipation, bloating, and poor absorption of vitamins. Just drinking enough water can improve digestion more than most supplements. Here's an emotional truth: your body is constantly communicating with you. When you feel dizzy, tired, or crave sugar, it's not always hunger. Sometimes it's dehydration. Every organ in your body begs for water long before it shows visible signs. Your brain, for example, is 75% water. Even mild dehydration can affect focus, memory, and mood. That's why headaches and irritability often vanish after a single glass of water.